Student, let me take one more example, that 5038 divided by 11. So we will write here 5038 and our divisor is 11, that is 2 digit. Now let me take the first thousand place, it is less. So we will write here 0, 5, we take 0. Now this is 2 digit 50, it is, we can able divide by 11. So 11 fours are, yes, 11, you when you find out the table that 11 fours are 44. So this is, if we take 11 fives are, so that is 55, but it is not possible. So 11 fours are 44. Now we subtract 6, take 3, 63. In 11 table, 6 are 66, not. So 11 5s are 55. We subtract 3 minus 5, not possible, take from this 5 plus 10. So 13 minus 5, 8. Put it here 0, we take 8. Now here also 8. Okay, so 11, here 88. So in 11 table 8, 11 8s are 88. So our answer is 458. So we will write here the answer 458. When we divide 5038 divided by 11, we get the quotient 458. You can answer this Q 4, 5, 8 and your remainder is 0. Yes. Now let me see the division by 3 digits. Student, I take here one example, that division by 3 digit number. I take here 26,846 divided by 144. So first we put here in the division that 26846 divided by 114. So first we take the from the biggest place, that is the 10,000 place, 2 is here. So it is a smaller number. So put 0 here, then 2 minus 0, 2. Then we take 6. So 26 also smaller. So we put here 0 and 0 is 26 minus 0, 26. When we take the 8, 268. So this number is bigger than this divisor, so we can able to divide it. So 144, when we in this table, that we find that first, because we multiply by 2, then it will be a bigger number of this 268. So that's why we take the 144 ones. Okay, so I put here 1, then my 144. So 268 minus 144, we got the here 224. Then we take 4 number. Now we have the 1244. Now we divide from this 144. So what we are doing? 144 into 8, then I got answer 1152. So it is near to this number. Then subtract this 4 minus 2 here. 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 5 not possible. So borrow from this and 10 is here. So 10 plus 4, 14. 14 minus 5, 9 is come. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Now I take 6. So 926 divided by 144. So if I multiply by 6, then it's come near the number of 864 it come. So remain 62 number. When we subtract this, 6 minus 4, 2. 2 minus 6, not possible. So take from here So 12 minus 6, it's 6. 8 minus 8, 0. So this is our remainder and this is quotient. Now student, you have the confusion that how can we able to 144 that multiply, how we understand. So this is the rounded, like this is 144. Yes. Here I take, here I don't, if you don't know that the 144 table, of course, if we found that 268, so 268 if I do, for example, multiply by 2, okay, I found that, let me multiply. So here this repetitive addition, that if you concentrate and do with this, that 144, if I add repetitively, like multiply by 2, then it's gradually increase the number than 268. Yes. So for example, let me do this. 4 to 4 to this is 288. Yes, but here 268. You can do the rough work in the first time. Then gradually when you practice this, when you can understand this way. Yes. For example, this we get this 1244. Now how I understand that 144 in multiply by which number, then I will get this 1244. So let me think further. 1244. Yes. This 1244, we have to find out how we divide this number by 144. So we have to find out this answer. So 144, I just think of that nearly, if I 5 multiplied by this 144 multiplied by 5, then how we get 4 5s are 20. So 0 2 4 5s are 20, 22 2 5 7. So it is vast different. Let me move forward the multiplication by more number, like 5 6 7. Let me find 7 144 multiplied by 7. 7 4s are 28. Here 28 plus 2 30 0 3 7 10 1 0 0 8. We can also move forward one more step. So then you 144 multiplied by 8. Then we found that it is a near to this number. Let me see. 8 4s are 32. 2 3 is here. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 3 35. 5 please carry forward. 8 plus this 8 plus 3 11. 115 2. Yes, it is there. If I found, let me move forward one more number. So let's see 144 multiply by 9. Yes, multiply by 9. So 9 4s are 36. 3 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 3 39. 9 3 is here. 9 plus 3 12. So 1296. When we multiply by 144 into 9, we got the product 1296, and here the 1244 we have to divide. So it will not work because it is a bigger number. Let me move one back step. 8 144 into 8. So 1152. So it is possible. So I will write this way, that 8 1152. So how? The same thing we have done here. 1152. The remaining number 92. We put here the 8. That 144 into 8. We find the product 1152. So here I want to just explain that when you practicing this 3-digit number, initially you also not get how much we have to multiply, and then we found the quotient is here. Yes, so in the rough work you can do the practice that and keep in mind that the multiplication is the repetitive addition. So see the ones place of this, then how can we, like we have to take the 26, not happen, 2, 6, 8. So if I repetitive addition, that 144 plus 144, or either you can multiply by 2. So is it product will, I will find that it is subtracted from this 1. So if I put here 2, the same thing I explain here, that 144 multiplied by 2, then we find the bigger number than this. How it is here we find that, so it is bigger, like 144 plus 144, that 888, 288. Yes, keep in the 288, it is a bigger number than this, so it will not work. So move backward. So that is 144, 1 is a 144. Yes, this way you can do the practice. In the textbook also given a few sums are, and through in assignment also do the practice. Through the practice you will be